All right, so let's go ahead and just talk about what we're going to review today. The goal of our webinar today is to show you the resources to assist you in the Desk to Service Cloud journey. My name is Brian Supp. I'm the Content and Programs Manager here at Salesforce, and my role is to create learning journeys for customers to learn our products. And I'm joined today by Deborah Stone, who will be helping moderate today's webinar. Debbie, do you want to give a brief introduction of yourself?
Hi everyone, my name is Deborah Stone. I am the Director of Technical Support for Salesforce Desk.
All right, thanks Debbie. I'd like to first take the time just to say thank you. Thank you for being loyal Desk customers over the years. We would not be here without you. Our goal is to help you be successful, and as we move into a new phase of the service journey, our team's mission is to help you find the right information to make informed decisions about your service options. So thank you, thank you. At Salesforce, we live by our core values. The two most important Salesforce core values are trust and growth. This means that nothing is more important than our relationship with you and our customers. We aim to have an open and transparent relationship and deliver the most trusted products in the industry. And growth is based on mutual success. We focus on helping you solve your business challenges. When our customers grow, we in turn grow from that. And so as we look forward over the next 2 years, we are putting our success your success at the heart of what we do and ensure that you are supported along this journey. Sorry for that. In the email that you received this week, it was announced that Salesforce will be retiring the Desk.com product in 2 years on March 13th, 2020. That means you can use Desk until this date, but after this date, the product will be shut down and you will need to switch to a new service support tool. We understand that making changes to how you support your customers can be a significant undertaking, and we care about your success and are here to ensure you have the necessary resources to plan for this transition. And to that end, today we'll discuss how our team will support you in this journey. So how are we supporting you through this journey? During this transition, our entire Desk team is aligned to help you either directly or through the resources we've created to assist your team. First, our support team can help you with specific questions that you don't see covered in our support center. You can email or call our support team at any time. As an interesting fact, our Desk support team recently migrated from Desk.com to Service Cloud, so they are in a unique position to help you. If we don't know the right answer right away, our support team will help find those answers from our larger Desk and Salesforce teams, which include our technical and solutions consultants teams. Next, the Salesforce community. One of the unsung benefits of using Service Cloud is getting access to thousands of other Salesforce customers who are product experts. So whether you are a customer support agent, an administrator, or developer, the Salesforce Success community is an active place to get your questions answered from other Salesforce users and product experts. Then there's our Success team who help in coordinating creation of guides, workshops, webinars, any other resources you need to help you make this transition. If you don't see something that's essential to help your team, please let us know. And finally, there are external partners. Instead of setting up Service Cloud on your own, you may consider engaging a trusted Salesforce partner to do this for you through a paid engagement. Partners are really a big part of the Salesforce ecosystem and can help you customize Service Cloud for your company. Now, let's take a look at the resources available. In addition to our people support, we've created valuable resources to answer your questions and help you get started on your journey when you are ready. And we've categorized them in 3 different ways: on-demand resources, technical resources, and live events. The on-demand resources have 7 key items. First, the guided journey and Desk to Service Cloud articles. Secondly, Trailhead and Trailmixes. We'll talk a little bit more about that. Then the Desk Success Community. Then fourthly, the Service Cloud Success Community. Then Success with Service Cloud, which is another community. And then the Service Cloud Setup Workbook. And then lastly, the Customized Service Cloud Trial. Let's take a deeper dive into our Support Center guided journey and articles. When you navigate to support.desk.com, you'll notice a new tile called Desk to Service Cloud. Once you click on the tile, on the next page, you'll see both a button to begin a guided journey and a list of articles curated by our team to help you with the different stages of choosing your new support tool. The list of articles are divided into a few helpful topics. What is Service Cloud? Planning your move, migrating your data, implementing Service Cloud Lightning, and helping your teams adopt. For example, if you're an admin looking for a high-level overview about moving to Service Cloud, this is a really great place to start. There we go. And furthermore, we've highlighted a few customer stories as well. So you can also learn why and how companies like Spot Hero, Mighty Hive, and Saru migrated from Desk to Service Cloud, and how that's improved the support they provide to their customers. When you click on Begin the Guided Journey, you'll be taken through a few screens telling you more about Service Cloud. You'll notice also that there's a button called Switch Licenses to Service Cloud. So if you're ready to start the discussion of your contractual swap to Service Cloud, our support team can direct you to the right resource. You can also contact our support team if you have any questions around transitioning to Service Cloud. Let's next take a look at Trailhead. Trailhead is the gamified online learning platform by Salesforce, and it empowers everyone to learn the skills needed for Service Cloud and more. There are a number of specific service trails that you and your team can complete, including a Trailmix, which is a compilation of curated learning paths specific to the Desk to Service Cloud transition path. This is one of the best ways to make the learning journey enjoyable for you and your team. So if you haven't already tried any of our trails and trails yet, I really encourage you to take a look. Next, let's dive deeper into the workbook and customized Service Cloud trial. The Service Cloud setup workbook was created by our solution consulting team to provide you with a comprehensive click-by-click guide on how to set up nearly everything you need based on what you may have used in Desk. It's a guide you can reference when you've decided what features you want to enable in Service Cloud. Next, you may ask, what is the customized service trial? Just to be clear, this is not the regular Service Cloud trial. Our team built a custom trial that brings you desk-like features that you know and love right into Service Cloud. This includes features like case status color indicators, custom actions like adding comments to cases, bulk case actions, automatic case list refreshes, and many other features. So to learn more about all the customizations, please refer to the workbook that we just mentioned. Next, technical resources we have available include a data migration tool, a knowledge-based article migration tool, a desk-like community theme for your support center, and case and data exports from desk.com. I'm really proud to share that our technical consulting teams have built tools to help you migrate your data and knowledge-based articles right from Desk to Service Cloud. These tools are actually now built right into the customized trial, which makes moving data and articles that much easier. The documentation for these tools also includes video walkthroughs. When you enable Service Cloud communities, you'll now also have access to Desk-like community themes, similar to what you saw in your Desk Support Center. You can take this theme and continue to customize it further with your own brand using the powerful tools in communities. Now, should you choose to go a different route, our support team will help you with the data export. Just send an email with the data export request to initiate that process. Lastly, for resources, we have live events, which include webinars, Service Cloud campfires, and scheduled emails. We'll host ongoing webinars to help you with various aspects of your migration, as well as in-person Service Cloud campfires to help you configure parts of your Service Cloud instance. Further, we've set up an email campaign to help you keep updated with action items and suggested next steps as you start your Service Cloud migration. Let's look at the webinars in depth more. Our team has created a number of webinars to help you on your journey. Here's the content that'll be coming soon. Intro to Service Cloud, which is this one that you're on. We have a couple more sessions scheduled throughout the next week next 2 weeks. Next is getting started on the trial org, then planning your move and data migration, setup overview for admins, reporting, communities, agent training, and integrations and app exchange. Our webinars typically run about an hour with 45 minutes of content, and then the remaining time for Q&A with our product experts. We'll be hosting multiple live sessions per topic held in different time zones just to ensure everyone can join. They'll also be recorded and available afterwards if you're not available to make any of the live sessions, so please sign up. In addition to these planned webinars, we'll also have more in-depth sessions coming. These webinars will be online workshops that will dive deep into specific product functionality. All right, so now that we've covered a lot of information about who's here to help and how we're going to support you through your journey, I'd like to pause for a quick poll just to get some feedback. Give me a second just to do that. All right, so would you like to see our team provide you with additional resources? Please take a moment to give us some feedback. And if you indicate yes, we'll follow up after the webinar just to find out more in terms of what type of resources. So we'll just give this a moment here. Thank you for your responses. We'll give it just another 10 seconds. All right, we'll go ahead and close the poll now. Thank you for your responses. All right, now that you've seen all the resources we have available, I'd like to suggest the next step. If you're brand new to the Salesforce platform, start with the guided journey on the Desk.com Support Center. If you're already somewhat familiar with Salesforce, I'd recommend starting the Service Cloud Trails to get you more familiar with Service Cloud. And if you're already familiar with both Service Cloud, Salesforce and Service Cloud, then I'd invite you to sign up for the customized Service Cloud trial. And regardless of where you are today, I invite all of you to join our first webinar, the Desk to Service Cloud intro webinar that starts next week. Our team has 6 intro webinars scheduled to help you so you can join one of the live sessions that works for your schedule. That covers the content portion of the webinar today. After today's call, we'll share this presentation and provide you with links to all the resources that we've reviewed, just so that you have it for your reference, including the webinar calendar and all the registration links. At this point, I'd like to go ahead and invite you to ask any questions on the content we've covered today. Please type your questions into the GoToWebinar questions panel, and we'll start answering those right now.